Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. We are from Group 8. We have 5 members in our group, which is Siti Arunadira, Kennedy, Jasmine, Muhammad Yusri, Safa Sabitah and Listi Putri. We will present to you about our project. Okay, this is the first part, which is introduction. Highway engineering is a branch of civil engineering that deals with the planning, building, designing, operating and maintaining highways, bridges and tunnels to enable the efficient and secure transportation of people and product. Highway engineer must take into consideration future traffic patterns, the design of highway crossing or interchange, geometry alignment and design, highway pavement materials and design, structural design of pavement thickness and pavement maintenance.
Next is literature review. Based on Hardiatmo's explanation that Pavement Conditions Index or PCI is a system for assessing road condition by type, the level of damage that occurs, and can be used as a reference in the maintenance business. According to Muhammad Nur AA, that the road surface condition or the pavement condition is one of most important features as it affects the dynamic load of vehicles traveling on it, the quality of travel, and the vehicle operating costs. Based on Smith et al., that pavement distresses are classified into 2 different categories. The first is functional failure and the second is structural failure. According to A.J. Yoder, that functional failure obtained initially on rating of pavement surface roughness.
Next, for our project, method used for data collection is observation by site visit and survey the condition of the pavement at the chosen location. The purpose of the road condition survey was to determine the state of the road surface. A visual inspection of the road surface was carried out on Jalan Parit Bengkok, Parit Raja, Batu Pahat, Johor. First, we choose 1 kilometer road in Parit Raja and divide it into 10 sections. 5 sections was selected to be surveyed. We determined the distress level by its measurement, and last, by the data collected, PCI was calculated. So, this is our data analysis for our survey. As you can see, sample unit 1, 2 and 5 is in serious condition based on PCI rating of pavement. PCI value for sample 3 is 32, which is in very poor condition. Lastly, sample unit 4 is at satisfactory condition. So total average PCI value is 32, which is based on the PCI rating. This pavement is very poor and need major rehabilitation or deferred action.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Yusri. So I will continue the presentation with discussion. From the calculation, the total average of PCI value in Jalan Parit Bengkok, Parit Raja, Batu Pahat is 32. So the maintenance that should be implemented for each section along the road can be determined. Next, I will explain about type of dead street that we found at Jalan Parit Bengkok. First is alligator cracking, have 1 medium level at sample unit 1 and 2 medium level at sample unit 4. Second one is land shoulder drop off, height level at sample unit 1 and 5, medium level at sample unit 4 and 2. Third is bleeding, 1 medium level at sample 1, 1 height level at sample unit 2 and 5. Fourth is edge cracking, height level 2 at sample unit 1, 3 at sample unit 4 and 1 at sample unit 5. And have 1 low level at sample unit 2 and 1 medium level at sample unit 3. Next is depression, have 1 height level at sample 3, And the last one is longitudinal and transverse cracking. Have medium level 1 at sample unit 2 and 3 at sample unit 5.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kennedy and I'm going to discuss about maintenance of rehabilitation method to improve the PCI. The first method is infrared reheating works, great for utility cuts and moreover important for asphalt repairing. It has been used successfully for many years, yet still seems to be an unknown or overlooked method to many professional industry. Second, patching. Patching is one of the most common method and provide better PCI for pavement. Patching is the process of filling pothole or excavated areas in the asphalt pavement. Quick repair of pothole or other pavements. This integration helps control further deterioration and expensive repair of the pavement. That's all from me. Thank you.
For the recommendation of maintenance, we get a pyramid work from the survey before. For the edge cracking and alligator cracking, we can do the overlay and repair the drainage. For the bedding, we can do the application of hot sand or hot carrying stones to compensate for excess bitumen. For the land or shoulder drop-off, we can demolish and the black material replaced with good material and compact. For the longitudinal transfer, the crack is sealed to prevent the water. For rotation, we can do the surface treatment or mist resurfacing and then patching the fill or the entire depth. For the patching and utility cut patching, repair the patch or replacement across depth for permanent repair. For the joint reflection cracking, there are two ways. The first is if the crack is not severe, the crack is sealed to prevent water ingress and leveling on the crack side. And the second, if the crack is severe, dismantle the crack and replace it with an overlay.
So, this is the last part of our project, which is conclusion. In our study, the survey that we conducted along 1 kilometer of Jalan Parit Bengkok in Batu Pahat, Johor, along with the data that we collect, several types of pavement distress were found there, such as lane shoulder drop-off, longitudinal transverse, bleeding, joint reflection cracking, edge cracking, patching and utility cut patching, alligator cracking, pothole and depression. Thank you.